can't believe I lost my baby. My baby.
It's just really awkward that the doctors couldn't even say what exactly was wrong.
What am I supposed to do? How did my happiness turn into sorrow just in the twinkle of an eye? I just want my baby.
Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Hey, look at me. We've just been a few months in marriage, okay? We're gonna have babies. As many as you want.
I just want my baby.
Don't do that, okay?
I just want my
It's
baby.
okay.
I want my baby.
Stop it. What do you want? Want something to eat?